Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. This is our first video of the new year. Yeah! I hope you guys are having a great start of your new year so far. From my family to yours, we wish you guys a blessed, happy and safe 2021. In today's video, I'm taking down my Christmas decor, do a light cleaning and decorate the room while I am waiting for spring. As always, I would love it if you stick around. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to my fellow Glam Squad, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of your love and support. Please give today's video a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Under my tattoos, just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Guys, stay tuned. At the end of the video, when I do the close-up, I'm gonna go over the new items. I am so excited to report to you guys I found a buffet for this dining room. I have been searching for a while. I think I found the one. I have posted the pictures on Instagram and many of you seem to like it. If you are not following me on Instagram, you should, because I am posting a lot more on Instagram now and I'm gonna be putting a lot of updates on Instagram for the channel. Please do so by checking me out at Glam Style with Dalou. If you have seen them, please put a comment, let me know. And if you have not seen them, please head over on Instagram and check them out and let me know what you think. Also, my Amazon store is up and running. Please check it out. It is a great way to support the channel. Links for my Instagram page and Amazon website will be in the description box.
Your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your
Guys, if you have velvet furniture, one of the best way to clean it is with a wet paper towel. It really refreshes the furniture and makes it look like new. But make sure the paper towel it's not damp. Wet it just a little bit. Many of you have been digging the music that I have on the channel lately. They are from Epidemic Sound. They have a great variety of music, especially if you have a YouTube channel. It is a great place to go get some music. I will leave a link for their website in the description box.
Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quieta. Soy tu bebecita, espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos juntos podamos pintar donde vamos a estar, que nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás, es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también, al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero, al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros, eres mi bandolero, por ti mi corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo.
Over here, I really didn't want to do much, so I just moved the things around and make the font a little bit lighter.
Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
This rug is one of my new rugs that I just purchased from Amazon. I really love it. It's super pretty. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box.
No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down,
The warmers and the candle holders are from Home Goods, and the floating candles are from Amazon. I really like this look with the floating candles. I think it had a nice little touch to it with the water and all. If you are new to my channel, please check out the original video and the updated videos where I went over everything. Links will be in the description box and at the end of the video.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep.
This vase was a DIY from my last video. I will put a link for it.
Your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
This pillow is from Home Goods, super pretty, and it goes really well with the vase. I'm gonna bring it next to it so you guys can see.
I've lost you. Telling you that I need you.
My dear friends, if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you for spending some time with me today. I will see you on my next video. I love you so much. Bye.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose